When considering BoldLeads as your landing page software, there are several key factors to know before deciding if it's the right choice for you. In this video, we'll walk you through 12 things you need to know, and by the end, you'll have a better idea of whether this is the tool you've been looking for or if there's a better fit for your business needs. The first thing to note about BoldLeads is that it's primarily designed for real estate professionals. If you're in the real estate industry, this could be a great fit. BoldLeads offers pre-built, customizable landing page templates tailored to real estate lead generation. However, if you're looking for something broader, there are other platforms like Unbounce or Lead Pages that offer more flexibility across different industries. Next thing to consider is the pricing. BoldLeads can be on the pricier side, starting at around $300 per month, which might not be ideal if you're just getting started or if you're on a tight budget. In comparison, tools like Instapage or Lead Pages offer competitive features at lower pricing tiers, making them an appealing choice for businesses looking for cost-effective solutions. The third thing to know is the level of customization BoldLeads offers. While it provides a solid range of templates, customization options are somewhat limited compared to other platforms like ClickFunnels. If you want to have full control over every aspect of your landing page's design, you may find BoldLeads lacking. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the lead generation features. BoldLeads excels here with tools that automate lead capture and follow-up, designed specifically for real estate agents. However, other landing page platforms, such as HubSpot or ClickFunnels, offer more robust integrations with CRM systems, allowing you to create a more seamless workflow across your marketing efforts. Next, BoldLeads comes with built-in tools for tracking and analytics, which help you understand how your landing pages are performing. This can be useful for optimizing your campaigns, but it's important to note that the reporting features are somewhat basic. If you need more in-depth insights, you may want to explore platforms like Google Optimize or VWO, which offer advanced A/B testing and analytics. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the integration options. BoldLeads integrates with several CRM systems and email marketing tools, but its integrations can be a bit limited compared to other landing page builders. If you rely on a more complex tech stack, you might face some hurdles when connecting BoldLeads with your existing tools. The seventh thing to know is the customer support. BoldLeads provides support via chat and email, which is decent, but it may not always be as responsive as other platforms like Lead Pages, where customer support is available via live chat and phone during business hours. If support speed is a top priority for you, that's something to consider. Next, the platform includes lead nurturing features that allow you to send automated follow-up emails to new leads. While these can be useful, they're not as flexible or powerful as those offered by platforms like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, which have more advanced marketing automation tools for broader use. The ninth thing is the ease of use. BoldLeads is relatively easy to get started with, especially if you're in the real estate space. However, it may not be as beginner-friendly as tools like Lead Pages, which offer drag-and-drop builders and more intuitive design interfaces. Next up, BoldLeads includes a variety of features like landing page pop-ups and chatbots, which are excellent for capturing leads. But if you're looking for more advanced features like multi-step forms or split testing, you might find the offering a bit basic compared to competitors like Instapage, which provides a wider range of advanced functionalities. The 11th point is the speed of your landing pages. BoldLeads landing pages tend to load quickly, which is important for user experience and SEO. However, it's worth noting that some competitors, such as Unbounce, are known for providing even faster page load times and better mobile optimization. Lastly, while BoldLeads offers a good range of features, it's important to assess whether its niche focus on real estate makes it the best fit for your needs. Other platforms like Lead Pages or ClickFunnels offer broader applicability, and if you're running a business in a different industry, you might find better value in these options. BoldLeads is a solid choice for real estate professionals, especially for lead generation and simple landing page creation. However, if you're looking for a more flexible, cost-effective, and feature-rich solution, check out our recommended option that you can try for free.